occasion of 15th August, and this is the presence of the primary group, all the students of primary group who attend the class in Navachetana, and these students prepared their thoughts, these students prepared to convey their experience, their memories, and all the other things about the prestigious day, about the Independence Day. And when we were also in our primary school, in our kindergarten school, since that time, we started celebrating this day. We started celebrating the significance of this day, and now we have got all the students, we have got all the students of various institutions near the primary schools, and a few of them are definitely come here from afar ahead of this particular location, and they have this tricolor flag. And the importance of this flag from the perspective of our nation is invaluable. So I'll be asking our students to come forward and deliver their speech. I'll be asking them one by one. At first, I'd like to ask Sheena Doctor to come forward. Sheena, please give your flag to the student who is next to you. No, it is? Yeah? Okay, Sheena, please come forward. Come forward, Sheena. Sheena will be talking about, I think you'll be talking about the national anthem, right? Yes, Sheena will be talking about the national anthem.
Hi everyone, my name is Sheena Doctor. Good afternoon to the respected teachers, dear parents, the rest of the students, and the other audience sitting here. Today I am here to deliver a speech, our national anthem. The name of our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It was written by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. We feel proud when singing it. Our national anthem shows love and respect for our country, people and culture. We sing it at schools, national events and important functions. It reminds us that we are all respect. We are all Indians and we should stay united. We should always stand with respect. We singing the national anthem. It makes us feel proud to be part of this great country, India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for listening me. That's all for today.
It's a very good performance from Sheena Doctor, and we have understood the importance of our national anthem. The next one I'll be asking Akash Dhara. Akash to come forward. Akash, please come here. We have got the presence of Akash, who is a student of Palda Garden Institution. Yes, Akash, the time is yours.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Akash Dhara. My today's topic is my country, India. The name of my country is India. It is a very beautiful country. India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. It lies in the consistent of Asia. India became independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. It is now a democratic country and it is 7th largest country in the world. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. The capital city of India is New Delhi. The national flag of India is 3-color flag. The national anthem of our country is Jana Gana Mana Ki Nayaka Jai, and national song is Bande Mataram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for listening me. That's all for today.
Thank you, Akash, a student of Palda Garden Institution.